Hello students, as you know we are dealing with chapter 7 of maths, that is coordinate geometry, and in the last two lectures we studied distance formula and section formula, and we did many examples related to these two formulas. Now in this chapter we are going to study about area of a triangle. You are knowing what is the area of a triangle, you have studied it in lower classes, but here we are going to obtain the area using the formula which is related to coordinate geometry. Means if coordinates of three vertices of a triangle are given, and if we want to find the area of the triangle, then we can find it using the formula which we are going to study now. So here triangle is given and the vertices of the triangle are A, B and C. Coordinates of point A are x1 y1, b x2 y2 and c x3 y3, and we want to find the area of this triangle. Then it can be found out using the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. It is a big formula, but students, it is very easy to remember this formula. See, what is the first term? X1 into y2 minus y3. So, the order of numbers is 1, 2, 3. In the second term, you can see the order is 2, 3, 1. And in the third term, you can see the order is 3, 1, 2. If you remember like this, it will be easily remembered by you. Now, let us see some examples related to this formula. A 3 5, B 2 minus 1 and C minus 5 6 are vertices of triangle ABC. Find area of triangle ABC. So what is the formula for area of triangle ABC? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here x1 is 3, y1 is 5, x2 is 2, y2 is minus 1, x3 is minus 5 and y3 is 6. So now we will substitute the values of x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3 in the formula. So we will get area of triangle ABC is equal to half into 3 into minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 into 6 minus 5 plus minus 5 into 5 minus 1. That is equal to half into 3 into minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7 plus 2 into 6 minus 5 is minus 1 plus minus 5 into 5 minus 1 is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now 3 into 7 is 21, 2 into 1 is 1 and minus 5 into 6 is minus 30. So we will get half into minus 21 plus 2 minus 30. That is equal to minus 49 by 2, which is equal to minus 24.5. But here students, you can see that they have directly taken positive sign. Why? Because area of a triangle can't be negative. So the area of given triangle is 24.5. Now students, you are seeing one sign over here. This sign is called modulus sign, and modulus of any number is always positive. So in this book from where I have taken, they have directly taken the modulus sign in the formula of the area of triangle, so that if it comes negative, its modulus will always be positive. Now let us see the examples of your textbook. Example 11. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1, minus 4 6 and minus 3 minus 5. So here let A be 1 minus 1, B minus 4 6 and C minus 3 minus 5. And we have to find the area of triangle ABC. So first of all, what is x1 here? 1, y1 minus 1, x2 minus 4, y2 6, x3 minus 3 and y3 minus 5. Now students, they have directly given here the calculation. They have not written the formula. In the last lecture I told you, and now also I am telling you, have to write the formula for solving. Formula is very much necessary. So what is the formula for finding area of the triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and we will get area is equal to half into 1 into 6 plus 5 plus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 1 plus minus 3 into minus 1 minus 6. Now 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, and minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. So 1 into 11 is 11, minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16, and minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21. So we will get half into 11 plus 16 plus 21, which is equal to 48 by 2, that is equal to 24. So the area of the triangle is 24 square units. Now example 12. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points A 5 2, B 4 7 and C 7 minus 4. So here our x1 is 5, y1 is 2, x2 is 4, y2 is 7, x3 is 7 and y3 is minus 4. And we are asked to find the area of the triangle. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So let us substitute the values in the formula. We will get half into 5 into 7 plus 4 plus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 plus 7 into 2 minus 7. Now 7 plus 4 is 11, minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 and 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So we will get half into 5 into 11 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 7 into minus 5, which is equal to half into 55 minus 24 minus 35. That is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. But area is a measure which can't be negative. So here they have taken the modulus of minus 2, which is equal to 2. So area of triangle ABC is 2 square units. Example 13. Find the area of a triangle formed by points P minus 1.53, Q 6 minus 2 and R minus 3 4. So x1 is minus 1.5, y1 3, x2 6, y2 minus 2, x3 minus 3 and y3 4. So area of triangle PQR is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. And substituting the values, we get half into minus 1.5 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 6 into 4 minus 3 plus minus 3 into 3 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 plus 2 is 5. So it will be half into minus 1.5 into minus 6 plus 6 into 1 plus minus 3 into 5, that is equal to half into 9 plus 6 minus 15, which is equal to 0. But can we have a triangle whose area is 0? No. Triangle cannot have area 0. Then what does it mean? It means that the 3 points P, Q and R are collinear points, means they are the points which are lying on a same line. So if the area of given triangle is 0, it means that the 3 points are collinear points and they are lying on a same line. This you have to keep in mind. Example 14. Find the value of k if the points A 2, 3, B 4k and C 6 minus 3 are collinear points. Now here they have mentioned that A, B and C are collinear points. Since A, B and C are collinear points, the area of the triangle will be 0. We have seen in example 13 also. So here we have to find value of k, and what is given to us? 3 points are given to us, as well as it is also given that the points are collinear points, which means that the area of triangle is 0. So here x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is k, x3 is 6 and y3 is equal to minus 3, and area of triangle is 0. So now we will substitute all this in the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. On substituting, we will get area is equal to half into 2 into k plus 3 plus 4 into minus 3 plus 6 into 3 minus k is equal to 0. That is half into minus 4k is equal to 0, which means that k is equal to 0. Here they have verified by substituting value of k is equal to 0 in the formula of area of triangle, and you can see that the area is equal to 0. If it is asked, then only you have to verify. Here only for understanding they have verified it. Example 15. If A minus 5 7, B minus 4 minus 5, C minus 1 minus 6 and D 4 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, then find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So here a quadrilateral ABCD is there and we are asked to find the area of a quadrilateral. Now if we join B and D of the quadrilateral, two triangles will be formed. Let us understand it with the help of diagram. So here you can see a quadrilateral ABCD is there, and when B and D are joined, two triangles are formed, triangle ABD and triangle BCD. So if we want to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD, we can find it by adding the area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So now let us solve it. So students, first of all we will find the area of triangle ABD. When we consider points A, B and D, x1 is equal to minus 5, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to minus 4, y2 is equal to minus 5 and x3 is equal to 4 and y3 is equal to 5. Now substituting the values in formula of area of triangle, that is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, we get half into minus 5 into minus 5 minus 5 plus minus 4 into 5 minus 7 plus 4 into 7 plus 5. Minus 5 minus 5 is minus 10, 5 minus 7 is minus 2 and 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So we get half into 50 plus 8 plus 48, that is equal to 106 by 2, that is equal to 53 square units, which is the area of triangle ABD. Now we will find the area of triangle BCD. So considering points B, C and D, we get x1 is equal to minus 4, y1 is equal to minus 5, x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to minus 6, x3 is equal to 4 and y3 is equal to 5. And substituting it, we will get area of BCD is equal to half into minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5 plus minus 1 into 5 plus 5 plus 4 into minus 5 plus 6. Minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11, 5 plus 5 is 10 and minus 5 plus 6 is 1. So we get half into 44 minus 10 plus 4, which is equal to 19 square units, which is the area of triangle BCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 53 plus 19, which is equal to 72 square units. So students, this were the questions of your examples of your exercise. In the next lecture, we will solve the questions of exercise of your textbook. With this, we end our lecture. Will continue in another lecture.